Sometimes you really do get what you pay for. Just to prove to you, I do have plenty of power coming through here. This is 6 volts going. Oh, this is, you know, not 6 volts. This is like 4 volts going to my voltage booster, which is clocked at 6 volts. And that's going in to power my servo separately, sharing a common ground with my USB powering the AVR chip like you're supposed to. The extra connections are just me having the chip hooked up so I can change the code as I go. There it goes. Oh, look, I didn't even input it yet. And it's spinning. Constantly spinning. And it won't stop either. They all do this. Let's see if I can stop the madness. Nope. No, nothing I can do. Unbelievable, unreal. This is a product service announcement. Just to be careful what you buy. I mean, look at the sticker. Look at that. Look at that shit. These are fake as hell, broken servos. I got the MG996Rs, fake. And I got the MG90S, fake. They have a plastic gear on the inside. They say they're all metal. They're not really. And I can get my real towerpro micro servo to work with code that should work for these. Doesn't. These also can rotate continuously, and they shouldn't. They should have a stop in them, but whatever. Tried all kinds of ways to get them to work. They are terrible. So I've seen a lot of this out on the internet and a lot of reviews of people who buy these cheap servos, and it's like there's no end to it. It's like they don't even care. They think they can get away with selling shitty servos. You can't, because servos are supposed to be accurate and they're supposed to work. It's very crucial that they work the way they're supposed to. Let me show you what I mean. Okay. So we got our joystick here. We have our servo here. It's already freaking out. Look at that. Completely unpredictable. Look at that. Doesn't even work. So at first you probably think, oh, your code is wrong. Oh, you know, your timing is off. These are supposed to operate at 20 milliseconds, just like a real servo. These are nuts. These can go continuously 360 degrees. It's like they get overloaded with input. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I even tried changing the code so it gets different resolution. These things are out of control. Not working at all. It's not the y-axis. I'm not plugged into the y. I'm plugged into the x. And look at this. Let me see if I can get another one. All right, so here's another one that I hooked up. Same batch that I ordered. And let's see if we can get it to go. Okay, so here's x-axis joystick. Look at this. I mean, that's nuts. It just works whenever it wants. I noticed that this one sounds a lot different. This one sounds way better, but I mean, it's still shit. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing. Hello. Hello. Anybody home? Nope. There you go. just to show you that this code does work, I have connected the real one, the towerpro, the real towerpro. See how responsive it is? This is a plastic one, and this is an older version. Surely this newer, updated, quote-unquote, version should work well. Surely its cousin should work well. Oh, unless they're fake, unless they're trash. That's right. Buyer beware. These are getting returned.